guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, I am not in my room anymore. This is my dorm room. So I live in an all-freshman dorm at Stanford University with a roommate, and so we live in a one-room double, so 2 beds, 1 room. So I'm just gonna show you guys, like, you know, stuff on my wall, where things are, just things like that. So welcome to my dorm. Okay, so when you walk in, there's like a mirror, full-length mirror on the door, so that is nice. And then if you come over here, this is my side. So I have my bed right here. I got my like comforter from Society 6. And then we have the dresser over here. And in the dresser, I just have like shirts and stuff folded up. And then I have pants and like pajamas and stuff. And then I have sweatshirts in the bottom drawer. And then moving over to these drawers, I just have like medicine and stuff like that, hair stuff, and then like snacks in that drawer. And then I have my like little shoe rack right there. And I kind of skipped this part, but here's my closet. We have like bigger closets than some of the other freshman dorms do, so that's nice. So I have like pictures of my friends and stuff up here. Then we have another mirror, and then my towel rack. And then the closet's pretty big. I just have a bunch of clothes, hamper and stuff's down there. I have my toiletries and things. I have like some cleaning stuff up there, and my lab coat. And the other side just has more clothes, more cleaning stuff, my bike lock, just like storage pretty much, but it's pretty big. And then coming over to the wall, which is my favorite part, I got a lot of this stuff just a bunch of places, so I guess we'll start here. So this tapestry is from Society 6. If you guys watch my dorm haul, it's in there. This poster is from like this like bookstore at my house. The banana light my friend got me, and then just like different prints and stuff like that. And then I hung these like pink string lights just across the room. Yeah, I think it looks pretty cool. And then my desk area, we just get this chair from Stanford, and then they give you this desk with the shelves like already attached to the wall, which is cool. So bottom shelf, I have my makeup on the right side, little drawers, and then I have just like some decorations there. My Polaroid, perfume, some books, and then I have like my sticker stationery little section, and then just like some Polaroids with like one other print up there. So that is like that little wall section. And then moving on to the desk area, pretty standard. I just have like some pens and stuff here, a calendar that I need to switch to October actually, and then like some sticky notes. I have a lamp and a mirror for when I do my makeup. It like is one of those that turns on, which is cool, in case my roommate is like not up when I'm up. I keep extra snacks in here sometimes. I just have these like muffins in here right now. My laptop, and then I have the drawers of the desk, and so I keep my like charger right here. But this inside drawer, I just got these little inserts from, I want to say Office Depot. So it has like hand sanitizer, calculator, this is for chemistry, and then my earrings are back there. In this drawer I have like different stationery, some stuff like that, keys, you know. And then in this drawer, I have more stationery. I definitely recommend, like, I got these little, like, plastic Tupperware things for, like, really cheap at Target to, like, help organize the drawers. So that's been super useful. So in this last drawer, I have, like, my textbooks and, like, school supplies, and I just, like, organize them with, like, these little file thingies. So, like, paper, I have my binder with a bunch of work in it, and then my textbook that I use all the time, and then, like, my notebooks for each class. So that all goes in there. I have a big window, and it goes all the way down. It's either my 2, and then my roommate has 2 as well. Curious for what our view is. It's not that great, but it's just basically a parking lot. But like across the street, there's like this like little food area that has a bunch of restaurants and things like that, just like right across the parking lot. So that is pretty good. And then the gym and like places that I dance at are right to the left, and then like the row is to the right. And then like quad is just down the middle. So I kind of like where we live. It's a pretty good location, but this is just the view, not the best. So I also have this fan because it gets hot sometimes. And then I have a printer. It's like gets super dusty. I like brush it off every day, but we have a printer, and then I have my mini fridge. Definitely recommend getting one of these if you're in college, and I just have like juice and water and stuff in there. And Stanford gives us like 3 little bins, one for trash and then like different kinds of recycling, so that is really nice. So I'll just give you a quick overview of my side. I just put a blanket on the chair, and then I also store stuff just like behind my bed. Under my bed, just kind of behind my shoe rack, is like some more storage stuff. So basically I keep my suitcase back there, and then I have this little like container thing that has like shopping bags and like a couple of extra bags if I like go to the beach or the gym, or you know, my carry-on bag for whenever I travel. And then I just put my like lunchbox and like some bags like right up there on top of like the little 3-drawer bin thing. I hope you guys enjoyed my room. I really like it. I worked like super like hard on it, like got all the stuff for the wall, and like everything fit, which was nice because you don't actually know which like room orientation you're gonna get until you come here, so that was pretty cool. But I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.